I got there this Pups and Squeaky chew toy. And the unique thing about this chew toy is not only does it have these ridges on the back, but he's got these little insets and grooves here for you to put like toothpaste or various other foods, like a little bit of peanut butter, to give them a chance to scrape their teeth and kind of clean their teeth. So doing little doggy toothpaste in these little grooves here is good for their teeth. Now I don't have any toothpaste on me for the doggies, but you can see they are excited to start squeaking and playing with this. So let's see how they like it. Oh, what do you think? You want that? You want that? You want that? You like that squeaky toy? There he goes. You like that squeaky toy? Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. You got a squeaky toy. Yeah. I know. I hear. I hear. Yeah. Who's the boss of the squeaky toy? Who's the boss of the squeaky toy? Who's the boss of the squeaky toy? Yeah, I know he likes it, huh? You want to have it too, I know. I know. Look at that. He really likes it. Come on, bring it back. He likes it. You gonna let Kiwi have it? Pumpkin, you let Kiwi have it? You gonna let Kiwi have it? Yep, they clearly like it. So, another good toy for them.